All right, here's part B. These are the original pins on one side, and the reflected pins, due to the reflection, are on this side. So I have my ruler. I'm going to use a protractor to measure the angles, but first I have to draw lines between this one and this pin here and back out to where the reflection was. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm just going to draw my first line like that. And I'm going to draw all the lines on the side as well. That's for number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. All right. Now, similarly, I'm going to draw my lines on this side for the reflected lines. That's 4. That's 3. Two. And 1. All right. So now that I've drawn my lines, the only thing I need to do is measure the angle from the normal. So whenever you do these things, you have to measure the angle from the normal, which means I need a normal. Right now I don't have a normal, but the best thing to do is actually put my protractor in right now, line it up, and then mark at the 90-degree mark. Then draw my normal. All right, that's the best normal. And now we're going to measure all the angles from the normal, which means we put our guys sideways and measure them this way. I'm trying to see which way is the best you can see this from. All right, so I'm going to put the iPad up like this and line it up. So now let's read off the original pins. The number 1 pin, that's this one right here. It's a little more than 60, and you can't really see it with parallax, so I'm going to put it above right now. I've got it placed correctly. So it's 60, 61, 62. It looks like it's 63 degrees. So for the incident side is 63 degrees, and it's plus or minus 1 degree. Now, number 2 is, what does it look like? It's a tad over 55. It looks like it's halfway between 55 and 56. I'm going to put 55.5 degrees for that one. And you can read off the third one. That looks like it's spot on 42. You see that one? And the fourth line looks like it's between 31 and 32. 31.5 degrees. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. All I'm going to do is flip my protractor over like that, and we're going to read off 1, 2, and 3. So in this case, we're going to read from this direction. So it'll be 60, 5, 66. So this line number 1 looks like it is 66. So this is 66 degrees. Line number 2 is 55, 56, 57. It looks like it's 58. So line number 2 is 58. The number 3, 30, 31, it looks like. And the fourth line oh, I'm sorry, that was the fourth line. I was reading this is 31. My protractor just fell off. The other one was 45. All right. So again, the third line was 45. The fourth line was 31. Okay? So now you can fill in your data table. and find the percent differences between them. If you look at a data table, the last thing is percent differences.